Hello people. So this particular video I wanted to make to thank my school teacher. In school I had this teacher, Mrs. Patricia Hayden, who used to conduct maths classes for us. And you know she taught she was our class teacher in the 5th standard, and I'm in my 30s now. But I still, when I look back and think of my days in school, immediately I think of Mrs. Patricia Hayden. So really, ma'am, I mean, when I was in the 5th standard, I was 10 years old, and Mrs. Hayden was our maths teacher, I remember. And I had started, like, I was, as much as I tried to do well in maths, I somehow could never, though I was just 10 years old at that time, and this math struggle continued till I was in my 10th and all. But so I would tell ma'am these funny jokes that as a 10-year-old I thought were funny and all. And I remember her making that effort to kind of encourage me, and she would smile, and it would make my day, really. So really, ma'am, from my heart, thank you. That I've been wanting to make this video for a long time now. So finally I get around to doing it and saying a big heartfelt thank you. And truly, ma'am, I mean, in the formative years, when you meet nice people, I mean, I was 10 years old at that time. And my this teacher, Mrs. Hayden, is actually the aunt of Miss World, Dinah Hayden. And really, Miss Hayden took such good care of us that in my mind I was Miss World myself. I mean, I was it's rare to find a class teacher who really, like, pampers the students and makes them feel special. So truly, ma'am, from my heart, a big thank you. And I know I should have made this video a lot sooner, but honestly, I think we were just lucky to have you as our class teacher. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.